Okay, I like to refer to this next exercise as what I call the yawning exercise. And the reason for that is, I know I told you guys, don't feel like you're pushing up and, like Atlas trying to go to a note, right? You want to come in from behind the note and drop down on the note. This is really important because if you have this sort of even psychologically, if everything is just up, 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 but if you feel like you can kind of come in from behind something like a slinky, going down the stairs. I don't know if you were a kid when you had the slinky and you kind of had the slinky and it kind of went down the stairs. Think of your notes as you're kind of coming in and you're dropping down on them. You're not pushing up to them, right? Well, this exercise is really cool because you have to yawn to create space to get to that vowel modification before you mod. In other words, you can't go la, la, like a light switch and you flip on the vowel mod and expect that to save you. No, you create space. La, you create space before you get there. So this exercise, la, do you hear me? La, and I'm going la. It's la. You hear me? I'm shedding the weight. I'm creating space. I'm dropping to come up into my vowel mod, and I'm kind of gently coming down. I'm coming in for a landing down on those notes. Okay. So we're going to do the scale, and let's do it now. La.